In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a phone number in Webex. This is an important skill for ensuring that your meetings run smoothly and that you can connect with others effectively. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and search for Webex. You can use any browser that you are comfortable with, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. As you type in the search bar, you will see suggestions pop up. This step is crucial because you want to make sure you are accessing the official Webex site. Once you find the correct link in the search results, it should prominently feature the Webex logo and address. This helps ensure you avoid any unofficial or potentially harmful sites. Once you have identified the correct link, click on it. This will take you directly to the Webex homepage. Here you will find a clean and user-friendly interface designed to help you navigate easily. It's essential to make sure you are on the right page, as this will set the stage for the next steps. You will see options related to signing in, which is your next action. Now, log into your Webex account. Enter your credentials, including your email address and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be prepared to enter that code as well. This step is vital because it secures your account, ensuring only you have access to your settings. After entering your information, click the Login button. Once logged in successfully, you will be directed to your dashboard, where you can manage your account settings. Next up, click on the Settings option. This is typically represented by a gear icon, which you can easily locate on your dashboard. Accessing settings is imperative, as this is where you can make changes to your account, including adding your phone number. Once you click on Settings, you will be taken to a new page filled with various options related to your account configuration. After that, click on the Meetings section. This area allows you to customize your meeting preferences, ensuring that you can manage them effectively. In the Meetings section, you will see options related to your scheduled meetings, audio settings, and more. Navigating to this section is key because the phone number you are adding will be used for audio in meetings, enhancing your communication experience. With that ready, click on Audio and Video. This section focuses specifically on how you can interact during meetings, including your audio preferences. It is important to set this up correctly, as it ensures you can communicate effectively with other participants. You will notice different options available here, which will help you fine-tune your settings. At this point, under the My Phone Number section, select the country code and add your phone number. Enter your number carefully, ensuring that it is accurate. After you have input your phone number, look for the Save button and click it. This step is crucial because it confirms your changes, allowing your phone number to be linked to your account. Once saved, you should see a confirmation message reassuring you that everything is set up correctly. And that's it. You have successfully added your phone number in Webex. This simple process enhances your ability to connect with others, making your meetings more efficient. If you follow these steps, you will be set up for success in your future Webex interactions. Thank you for watching.